What's up, guys? Hey, y'all. Wait. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to another video. That sounds like every other YouTuber. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang because I don't know. Why not? Went to Wendy's. I got okay, so basically I already ate a little bit of this. I'm just gonna eat the rest of it. So we got 2 spicy nuggets and some fries, a half-eaten burger, and we got a fruit punch Fanta. This is my half-eaten burger. Yeah. Okay, I rate the burger 8.9 out of 10. 8.9 out of 10. Pretty good burger. Tastes like actual homemade burger. We got a spicy chicken nugget. It says to be spicy. Gonna act like I haven't tried this one. Dip it in some ranch. Okay. These aren't even that spicy. Okay, maybe they're a little spicy. They're a little spicy. I'm sorry that my hair looks messed up. I came from school and it's not looking that good, but it's okay. It's fine. That's actually really spicy. I'm not gonna take a sip of my drink. What? You think I'm a loser that's gonna take a sip of their drink? Bro, it's Wendy's chicken nuggets. Not even that. We're not gonna say that I took a drink. That didn't happen. You know why? You're not gonna remember anything about it. Next thing we're gonna try is gonna be the fries. Oh my gosh, these are just regular fries. See, one with ranch. Still not being In-N-Out fries though. Can't tell? I'm in a parking lot waiting for my mom to get back from Costco. Roscoe. Big Costco. And there's people in the parking lot. Hopefully I don't get kidnapped. I don't want to get kidnapped. Dance break. Ooh, ooh. Hey, those dance moves. Huh! Oh! Why did I just do that? Abracadabra! Oh, did I scare you guys? Did I scare you guys? Did I scare y'all? Sorry. Y'all ever wonder if there's ever someone in the back of the car? You just don't know it. I'm gonna check. Hey y'all, it's Alex from the future in the form of a capybara. What you're about to see is something that scared me very deeply. Scary. What do I do? What do I do? Chill on me! Chill on me! I proceeded to FaceTime my mom, which she didn't answer. It just stopped. I always do some stupid thing like that. Anyways, as I was trying to say, y'all y'all know when it said don't y'all know it says look but don't make it obvious? This is what you do. You go and then look back. Maybe you don't do that. Oh, if y'all are wondering why I was coughing before I opened the door, I got sick a few weeks ago or a week ago. I'm just getting better. Well, I got better last week, but the cough still lasts. Oh my! I'll be telling Angie. Okay, look, but don't make it obvious. She'll probably go. Okay, so Angie, basically, she was at lunch. You're not eating lunch. Nice, and she's back to me. And she's gonna so she should be like, here. I'm not. We're not even better. So she said she put that spot. She jumped. And she believed her knee went up. Like, no, that's her. That's her. She got to do the word. And then she went on her knees. And she went to the office. Meanwhile, I'm chewing on my chicken wrap. And I have my phone. So, you know, I'm leaving no class. And I see 2 missed calls from Angie 1 minute ago. And I tried to fight something. I didn't eat that chicken wrap that day. No, I didn't. No. I ran. I put my leg off the rock. She's there. She's down. Now currently, she's on crutches with the knee immobilizer. And she has to get an MRI. And she got a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, there's a white Corvette. Oh, y'all don't want to know what my first car is gonna be? Y'all want to know? I'm gonna put a photo of it, okay? But you might have to close your eyes because it's a little too good, okay? All right, I'm gonna put a photo here in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Release it. You see this? Me, a little Tex car, pulling up on the sidewalk, pulling up to school. There's a car backing up into the spot in front of me. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no. You know, it's like the squares. What's it called? It goes, no. Oh, done. 1, 2, 3, go. You know, this is a mukbang, so. Let me go downstairs. I think I left the ranch down there. Let me go downstairs. Let me come back up. Got the ranch. I almost tripped on my jeans twice today. Y'all ever hit this pose? Where is my mom at? Okay, we're back in the back seat, but I need to grab my food from the front seat. Hey, how's your day going? Good, cool. I got the drink. Y'all think I can get a good 5? Okay, here we go. 5. Ariel, she sent a message.
Hi.
Why did it take her so long? Thanks for watching this video. It's my first mukbang, not even really a mukbang, just a video. If you liked it, you can give it a like or don't give it a like, or you could subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. It's just if you want to. You do what you want to do. If you liked the video, if it made you smile, that's cool. Hope everyone has a good day, good year. Okay, well, have a good night, good day, good morning. Have a good week. I hope everything goes well. Bye.